Tokyo is an incredible city to visit, full of delicious food, unique experiences, and amazing viewpoints. This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we share the 10 best things to do in Tokyo. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. First we have SENSO-JI. This historic Buddhist temple is the oldest temple in Tokyo and one of the most significant. It is a colourful temple that is said to have been constructed in 645. There is a shopping street that leads from the outer gate to the temple's second gate, and here you can collect lots of souvenirs and local snacks. Then we have MEIJI JINGU. This is a well-known shrine not too far from Shibuya. This is a shrine dedicated to the spirits of Emperor Meiji and his wife, and is a peaceful place to visit in Tokyo. For amazing views of the city, head up to Tokyo Tower. This is the second tallest structure in Tokyo, complete with observation deck and foot town, a 4-story building underneath the tower itself, which includes a museum, shops and restaurants. Quickly becoming the most popular thing to do in Tokyo is Tokyo Disneyland and Disney Sea. These are two huge and unique parks in Asia, with the Disney Sea being the first Disney park of its kind. Disney fans should allow at least 2 full days to explore the parks and plan to visit off-season. It is a very popular place to be. Then we have Shinjuku Gyoen. Escape the bustling city and take a stroll around Shinjuku Gyoen. After originally being a residence of the Naito family in the Edo period, the park is now a national park and is the perfect place to enjoy, especially during the spring when the cherry blossom comes out. Then we have Tokyo Imperial Palace. As the main residence of the Emperor of Japan, the Tokyo Imperial Palace is another popular place to visit. This area includes a palace where the emperor has his living quarters, the main palace which is used for ceremonies and receptions, a museum and archive. All of this is surrounded by stunning gardens. Then we have Shibuya Crossing. One of the most iconic crossings in the world is Shibuya Crossing. Every few minutes you will see hundreds of people walking across this busy intersection, going in various directions. Walk across the street itself, then head up to the nearby mall for some amazing views from above. Then head to AKIHABARA. For electronic and gaming stores, head to this neighborhood of Tokyo. This is a busy shopping hub known for its electronic stores, game shops and department stores. There are even stores that specialize in manga, anime and video games, sometimes spanning up to 10 floors. This is a cool and quirky thing to do in Tokyo and one of our favorite experiences in the city. Then we have the district of Harajuku. This is another quirky and unique place to visit in Tokyo. You can find unusual stores along the small back streets, as well as plenty of independent boutiques and fun dining options. Head here on the weekend to see the Japanese youth culture and fashion at its best. Then we have the museums. Tokyo is home to plenty of museums that are worth exploring during your visit. The Ghibli Museum is a small but thoughtful tribute to the Japanese animation studio, whilst the National Art Center offers contemporary art in an incredible building. The Tokyo National Museum is a great place to start and learn about the country's history. And the National Museum of Emerging Science and Innovation is home to a dancing robot and is our favourite museum in the city. For plenty of photo opportunities, you could also visit the Team Lab Borderless. Watch this video to find out the things to know before you go to Tokyo. Then, to learn how to save money on your trip, watch this video. We hope you have an incredible time in Tokyo and stay creative.